What's going on? This is a install video on the Glowbrace for the 15 plus WRX STI. I will be going over how I ran the wiring and how I installed it the best I can. I installed it yesterday, so I will not be taking off the front bumper, but you will need to remove the front bumper to install this. So what you're going to have to do, remove the front bumper, like I said, and then start installing the Glowbrace. So once you get the front bumper removed, the Glowbrace will come with two mounting brackets on each side. If you can see up in there, there's a silver mounting thing. So coming off that is a black mounting. You will mount those to two 10mm nuts that are to the right on each side of the Glowbrace. And make sure the green dot is facing out to show the lighting when it's on. So the kit will come with a relay, the Glowbrace, the full wire harness, plus an on and off switch that I mounted inside the car that I will show you in a couple minutes. So how I ran the wiring, coming off the Glowbrace on each side, off the left and off the right, there is a connector. So you will have one short wiring that will connect to the control box, and then another longer wire that will connect to, if you can see, that kind of prong right there. So each side of the Glowbrace, you will connect those together. So I ran my wiring. I mounted the control box right here, zip tied across the brace right here, ran the wiring down in between the AC condenser, behind the hood latch, and then connected right there to one of the clips. And then the other clip is connected right under here when you have the front bumper off. You will see it. So it comes with a inline fuse. Don't mind the other one. One is for the lit logo that I have mounted to. That comes with the inline fuse. But it is this one. So one has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. So I have one mounted to the negative terminal and then one mounted to the positive terminal. It is mounted right there on that one. That one right there is for something else. So I mounted the relay right here, and then I have all the wire harness and all the extra wiring tucked up under here. And then you have the switch that will come off that you can power inside the car that I'm going to show in a minute. So how I ran this, you have your fuel lines that go through the firewall. And there's a garment that I found that is the closest one possible to use. So I will show you right now which one I used. So if you look up in there, kind of a little dark. I don't have a flashlight. I'm trying to get the thing to focus too, and it won't focus. Oh, there we go. So I had to cut a little bit of the firewall mesh / like the sound barrier, whatever you want to call it. And there's a rubber garment with the fuel lines going through it. I popped the garment and I pushed the wire plug that they gave you in the kit through there, and then I ran it underneath the dash. And then you can pop this off, there's a little bolt, and then this just pops off by clips. I drilled it out with with different drill bits to make it work the best I could. And that is the switch for the LED bar. So that comes on automatically. And then you have an app that you download to control it. And then there you go. That's one of the modes it has. It has over 200 different modes that you can change it to. Solid colors, flashing, whatever you like. But that's how I installed it and how I ran the wiring. If you have any questions, drop a comment or DM me. I'll try to respond the best I can. I know the video wasn't the most in-depth, but it's pretty simple. They do have instructions on their website when you do order one of these braces. So appreciate you watching, and have a good one.